In a world where whispers of ancient trees tell tales of time, a young explorer stood at the edge of a vast forest. Why protect this place, they wondered aloud. A gentle breeze replied, "Here, life breathes in harmony." The explorer ventured deeper, discovering creatures dancing in the shadows, rivers singing to the sky, and flowers painting the earth. "This is our heritage," the breeze whispered again, "a gift to cherish." Inspired, the explorer vowed to protect this sanctuary. "Together we preserve our story," they declared. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.